In this video, we're going to be using the Goddess Hair Mask to do a bonus recipe never shared before, never done before. You guys are going to love it. Are you ready to reach your 2022 hair goals? Then I got a hair challenge that you don't want to miss out on. I'm going to give you all the juicy details because this is the best Ayurvedic hair challenge that we have ever had. My name is Khadija. Welcome to the channel. I'm leading expert in henna hair color and Ayurvedic healthy hair care. I do gorgeous henna body art, and welcome. Let's get into this hair challenge and see what it's about. What's amazing about this particular hair challenge is that it is for everyone, every hair type, every hair texture, whatever situation you might be in. If you're still using chemicals, don't worry, you can do this hair challenge. If you have locks, you can do this hair challenge. Everyone can do this hair challenge. It has 7 amazing products. We just upgraded the bundle. I'm adding bonus material. We're doing prizes. We're doing so many fun things, like really fun. And we got the community page rolling. We're gonna be going live together, and I'm gonna be here on this hair journey. We're gonna be doing this for the next 6 weeks. It officially starts February 1st and will end March 15th. So we've got 6 weeks of juicy recipes for you, easy DIYs, all-in-ones that, for the busy week that you might be, running into on that particular wash day, we got you covered. It is such a well-balanced hair challenge, and we got 50% off for you as well. Use the coupon code New Growth, all capitals, to sign up for the hair challenge, and your products are also 50% off, so it's like a win-win. We're going to be going through every single week together. We're going to have Cassian curls, the moisture mask, very cleansing, a nice moisture cleansing treatment that's very well balanced. And then we're going to have something for your scalp because, scalp care is so important. We need to stimulate your roots and just be able to really get the stimulate to grow and just push out new growth. You're gonna see massive hair growth. In 6 weeks, you're gonna see a huge difference. We got the Ayurvedic scalp and root mask because we need to stimulate your roots because that's where the growth is gonna start. So this mask is perfect for that. We're gonna be doing that on one of those wash day weeks. Then we got the Coco Veda deep conditioning strengthening mask. We got a little bit of strengthening in there, and we will not be coloring the hair whatsoever. All of these products do not color your hair, so don't even worry. If you were thinking about it just now, there's no color, so it is perfect. Deep conditioning, rich moisture, win-win. Oh, the Moroccan hair tea, yes. And can I mention again how amazing the Moroccan hair tea is? It is so good, and it smells amazing. Yes, I can smell it through the box. I literally can. That's how good it smells. And when I went to Morocco and I studied and examined these herbs and learned so much more about them and how amazing they are for promoting hair growth naturally. So the hair tea, we're going to be making a spritz, we're going to be doing a rinse, and we're also going to be making a hair growth oil. Oh, this combats so many things in just one box. And of course, we have the Goddess hair. Everyone loves the Goddess hair. It is infused with 6 amazing Ayurvedic herbs. This is probably our most popular all-in-one herbal mask for your hair because it's so balancing. It has rose petal powder in there. It's got the bit of hibiscus, and it's got cassia. What else? Fenugreek for, that's moisture. And then you have a little more moisture, and then amla, which is #1 herb to promote hair growth. And last but not least, you're going to have to pre-wash and co-wash your hair at the very end. Our co-wash is really unique. The co-wash ingredient is the shakaka powder that makes it cleansing, but it is actually a restorative conditioning treatment. So it's very good for henna hair color, Ayurvedic hair care mask. Like when you're done, this is your best go-to. And you can pre-wash your hair with a Zysafis hair wash. It just adds a lot of volume and texture and really makes your hair easy to manage as well. SLS free, no garbage in it. All right, so let's get into this mask that I got for you today. So I have 50 grams of the Goddess hair here in this bowl, and I'm going to be using coconut milk as my liquid to add all that rich, delicious moisture to this mask. We got the hair growth oil that you're going to be making in the 6-week hair challenge, and we're going to be using that as well. Oh, it's going to be so good. So what I would start out with is adding a little bit of coconut milk. And a little bit of the hair growth oil we made. probably, I would say 2 tablespoons of the hair growth oil would be good. And then we're gonna start mixing it. And then you're gonna start adding more as needed. You don't have to let this mask sit because it doesn't need any type of dye release or anything like that. It can be used immediately after you mix it up. So this is probably about half a can of coconut milk so far. You're going to probably use half to a 3/4 of a can of coconut milk in total. So you might have a little left over, so maybe you can use that for a different recipe or freeze any leftovers. Because with coconut milk, you could definitely use it later if you freeze it. Yes, the consistency is coming along nicely. And this is a mask that you're going to be leaving on your hair for about 3 to 4 hours. I want you to make sure that you get this mask on all over your roots, all the way to the ends of your hair. And 50 grams is usually about enough for about shoulder length hair with all the extra ingredients that we just added. That should be plenty. So if you have longer hair, such as like bra strap length or longer, you probably are going to need a whole package of the goddess hair. So if you have a longer hair that is past your shoulders, you might need to use about 100 grams of the goddess hair, which is a whole package. And this consistency is very good. Not too thick, not too thin. I add a little drop of coconut milk, just a little bit. And there you have it. It was ready to use. Easy. And once you're ready to use this mask, make sure that you pre-wash your hair or pre-poo with the Zysifus hair wash, or even the co-wash if you feel like you're a little more dry than usual. You can still pre-poo with the cleansing co-wash as well. Well, I hope that I'm gonna be seeing you in the hair challenge. You gotta sign up today. This is their very, very, very last chance to sign up. So sign up now, get in that class, and we are gonna be doing all of this together. We're gonna be doing lives, prizes. Oh, we're gonna have so much fun. And don't forget, you can also join our community page right now because we are gonna be sharing weekly goals together as a community. So I will see you then. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and that little bell because that's how you get the notifications of every video that we have coming out every Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday. # Ayurvedic Hair Challenge. I'll see you there.